Wait, don't scroll. Do you know this amazing creature's called southern cassowary, Australia's danger bird? The southern cassowary is one of the largest flightless birds globally, found in the tropical rainforests of northeastern Australia. They play a crucial role in seed dispersal, as their droppings contain large seeds from the fruits they consume. Southern cassowaries have powerful legs and sharp claws, making them agile runners and capable of delivering dangerous kicks if threatened. They are shy and elusive birds, but can be aggressive when provoked, making them one of Australia's most dangerous birds. Cassowaries are important to indigenous cultures and are considered keystone species in their rainforest ecosystems. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these unique birds from habitat loss and vehicle collisions.